Prada bag, Louis bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Birkin bag.
What's up, guys? So today's look is going to be a very natural, just a white line. I'm going to a concert and I'm actually pretty late right now, so I need to like go and make this intro. Please follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Snapchat if you want to see like updates, like what I'm doing in my life. I will link links down below, and if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Hey guys. Okay, so this is going to be a full face tutorial, starting off with zero makeup, just have the orange concealer ready to go. I am in such a rush at this time. I think I have like 1 hour to get ready, get dressed, do my hair. So sorry if this video feels a little bit rushed, but that is why. I'm going to a concert, so excited. And guess what? I'm going by myself. So I got my wine here. I was going with Canceled. So I'm going in with the NARS Luminous Weightness Foundation in the color Tahoe. What color? So I'm gonna see how this plays out and how it goes. I wish I could let you guys know, like, you know, on my YouTube channel. Maybe if you follow me on, I don't know, Snapchat, I don't know. You'll see some clips of, you know, the concert and things like that. I'm going to see Jacquees. I'm really excited. I actually am surprised that he's coming to Charlotte. I'm always so surprised when I'm so excited because my favorite celebrities in my area, like in the same room as me, it's just so cool. So I'm super excited. I was still gonna go, I wasn't gonna cancel. So friend or no friend, I'm still gonna go by myself, and that's what I call that bitch. So today the main focus of my makeup is definitely gonna be the face. I'm gonna have kind of a bit of a dramatic eye, but not so much. It's just going to be mainly the face that we need to make nice. So I'm actually going to go in with my brows, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do have different shaped brows. I decided to make them thinner and like more arched. So I'm going to go with my natural brow shape. So I'm actually going to go in with this broken pigment that I have here, but this is mainly for your brows. I don't even know what color this is in, but it's by HeeyCourtney. Looks like this in this little pot. I'm going to take a very small amount of this. This is powder, and I'm going to put this kind of towards the end of my brow. I'm going to kind of put some in this area as well, so that way it's a little bit more fuller looking. And yeah, we got a cute brow already. Like, cool. So we're just gonna put some concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. I love this concealer when I'm doing natural looks on my eyes because this color, I feel, just makes my eyes look best, like the color for my base. So I'm gonna put that on my lid. I brought you guys in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing a little better. So I'm just going to put a little bit up on the top of my brow, but not too much product. So cool story. So my boyfriend has this job where he works with different he could work with like different people and different celebrities, different like famous people in general. So last night there was this like tournament. There's like this tournament that comes to my hometown city like every year. I think this year was going to be the last year though. And this year there's a whole bunch of celebrities that come, and this year Trey Songz was going to my boyfriend's job, and he met him and shook his hand, and I was so freaking jealous. And he was describing to me that he looks like so regular and normal in person, which almost every celebrity does. They're just a person, you know. What else? I mean, what else did you think they were gonna look like? So I already have like an idea of how he would look. I know he would probably look like such a regular person and normal person, but I'm just gonna blend this out with this brush that I have, and this is going to basically bring the eyebrows to a finish. Okay, next I am going to, I'm actually gonna do the eyes last. Is that bad? I mean, not the eyes. Yeah, the eyes. Should I do the face first or the eyes? Maybe I should do the eyes first because I'm not putting any color on the bottom of my lid or my lash line. So a lot of times I feel like that is a good sign to do my eye makeup first. So I'm gonna take this egg. I have a video of myself doing my makeup with this egg. It's pretty broken inside now, but it has a lot of neutral colors that I think I want to use. So I'm going to take that darkest brown and the lighter brown, and I'm just going to take this brush that I have, and I'm going to just blend that into my crease. So I'm putting it pretty far up there because I want my eyes to look kind of bigger than they are. I want my wing to be pretty dramatic, so if I have my wing dramatic, I have to have my like lid and eyeshadow dramatic as well. So I'm just putting it a little bit further up than my actual natural crease. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the darker color and lightly, very, very lightly put it on. Okay, now for this step, you want to do the liner, and if you have smaller eyes like I do, you want to really think about doing your liner. Really think about what you're gonna do, map it out in your head before you put it on your eye, because it can look really bad or it can look really freaking good. So I'm gonna just take my time and try to figure out what I want to do. I'm just kind of perfecting that, and then I'm gonna do the other eye. I literally just ran out of black liner. Like, I thought I had way more than this in here. I have another one, but it's not liquid, and I feel like with this type of look you want to do liquid liner. So okay, I'm just gonna go on to the next liner, which is the white liner, and I barely have any of this either, and this is so crunchy. But with this white liner, I'm gonna do it extremely small. I'm gonna try my best to make it really skinny because I don't want a thick white line. So let's do this. One eye done. Let's do the other one. Okay, so if you mess up on the white, or if the white is a little bit too thick, go over it with the black again. I'm gonna add a bunch of different lashes, and this is what's gonna bring the eye look together. Firstly, I'm gonna put on some thin lashes that I have. This is just some that I bought from Amazon, and I have some other ones that I'm gonna put on that I bought from Amazon, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. These are pretty light and airy, so that's why I'm using these, because I don't want to have too much eyelash. What? I don't have too much lashes going on my face, on my eyes. So I'm just gonna take one that's thin, and then I'm gonna like, you know, build on. Both lashes finally on. This eye's doing way better than this eye. I don't know what the hell this eye is doing, but it's getting on my nerves. These little individual lashes like these, they're very small. You guys can't see them, but you get the picture. And so they come in different like millimeters. And I'm gonna use the longest millimeters on my top lash line, and then the shorter one is on my lower lash line. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face. I need to go and I'm running out of time. This is my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette contouring. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of powder contour. I don't have time to do anything else, so just going to use a little bit of this and mix it and put it on my face. So I'm actually going to use these on my lower lash line because these are actually made for your lower lash line. But I'm just going to cut them up in a way that I like them. Perfect. So I'm just gonna put 3 on each eye. Oh my gosh, that took so long to put those freaking bottom lashes on. All right, so now I'm gonna put on mascara and then lip. I'm actually gonna do the lip first so I can get these, make sure that they're like dry. Of course, I'm just gonna do a nude. I'm gonna take my brown called Coffee Bean from Rimmel London. And a nude. Tone it down a bit. I'm going to take my NYX soft matte lip cream, and I think that helps out. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the finished look with me dressed. Well, you won't see my bottoms, but you'll see like my shirt and my hair, so be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Obviously you can wear this with different types of eyeliners, like green, yellow, pink, purple. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like if you like videos like this. I know this is kind of a rush, but what do you expect? If you want to see more videos like this, give me a like down below, and I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.